Today, my topic is all about how to solve for the parts of an ellipse. To identify the parts of an ellipse, the equation must be in its standard form. It is necessary because the coordinates of the center and the values of A and B can be directly observed in the standard form. The said parts can describe the other parts of the ellipse as shown from the table. To use the table, let's have this problem. Identify the parts of the ellipse with the standard form of x plus 4 raised to 2 over 9 plus y minus 6 raised to 2 over 4 equals 1. Since the equation is already in its standard form of x minus h raised to 2 over a squared plus y minus k raised to 2 over b squared equals 1, we can identify the values for h, k, a, and b. For h and k, from the standard form h is equals to positive 4, we need to change it into negative 4. And then k is equals to negative 6, we change it for positive 6. For a, we get a value of a squared, so that is 9, and then we get the square root of 9, and then the answer will be 3. So we get a value of b. Then the value of b squared is equals to 4, and then we get the square root of 4, then the answer will be 2. Now that all the values are identified, we are going to substitute the values of h, k, a, and b to their respective formulas. Since malaki ang value ng a squared kesa sa b squared, ang gagamitin nating formula is horizontal. So for now, let us solve for the value of c. So we have c is equals to square root of a squared minus b squared. So 3 squared is equals to 9 and 2 squared is equals to 4. So the square root of 9 minus 4 is equals to square root of 5. To get for the major axis, kukunin natin si length. So the formula of length is 2a. Since 2 is constant, kukunin natin si a, which is yung 3. So 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So next is equation. So the formula of equation is y is equals to k. So get the value of k. So ang value ng k natin is 6. To get for the minor axis, kukunin natin si length. So ang formula ng length is 2b. Since 2 is constant, kukunin natin si b, which is yung 2. So multiply it. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So for the equation, ilalagay lang natin yung value ng h natin, which is negative 4. Okay, so let's move on to the vertices. So the formula of vertices is h, positive and negative a, k. So substitute all the values. Yung h natin is negative 4, and then copy the sign, positive and negative. So the value of a is 3, and then the value of k is 6. So we have negative 4 minus 3, 6. And then ayan, lagyan natin siya ng hati. So we have negative 4 plus 3, 6. Okay, so negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. And then copy the 6. So for the second one, negative 4 plus 3 is equals to negative 1. And then copy the 6 again. So for the co-vertices, this is the formula h, k, positive and negative b. So for the value of h is negative 4, and copy the comma, and the value of k is 6, and then copy the positive and negative sign, and then the value of b is 2. So first thing to do, separate the positive and negative and its value. Okay, so let's get the answer. So bring down the negative 4 and then comma, and then 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. So this is 4. And then copy the negative 4 and comma, and then 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. So let's move on for the foci. So for the formula of foci is h, positive and negative c, comma k. Okay, so for the value of h, which is negative 4, and then copy the positive and negative sign, and then the value of c, which is the square root of 5, and then the value of k, which is the 6. Okay, so separate it again. So we have negative 4 minus square root of 5, comma 6, and negative 4 plus square root of 5, comma 6. Okay, that's it. And last, for the lateral recta, the formula is x is equals to h, positive and negative c. So we have x is equals to negative 4, and then copy the positive and negative sign, and then the value of c, which is the square root of 5. So separate it. So we have x is equals to negative 4 plus square root of 5, and x is equals to negative 4 minus square root of 5. So that's the end of my discussion on how to solve for the parts of an ellipse. I hope you have learned something new today. Thank you for watching.